Hey everyone, Matthew here, and today we are talking about the plant of the week, which is Mangave. It is a very interesting plant. It's not an agave, and it's not what it's crossed with, a Manfreda, but it is a combination of both. So it has all of the positive attributes of agaves, but also blended with Manfreda, which is not a very well-known cultivated variety that you would see a lot historically at garden centers. But in the recent past, there have been people developing this new hybrid. So it's not genetically modified, but it is hybridized. So the flowers of agave and the flowers of Manfreda have been cross-pollinated, and then from the seed has been created these very interesting plants that pretty much look like an agave. But like this one here, this is Pineapple Express. It's got some really interesting burgundy splotches on the green foliage. We also have the Snow Leopard, which has a very cool, interesting variegation, as well as some striping. And then I have another really cool specimen right here called Blazing Saddles. And this one's a nice burgundy with some green blotches on it. And the list goes on and on. Mangave comes in many varieties. We have 3 or 4 different varieties right here, right now. They are well suited for our Jacksonville climate. Some can grow large, by a couple feet tall and wide. Some stay much smaller. There's another one called the Lavender Lady and the Man of Steel. We have a few of those planted here at the garden center that you can come and see. But they're going to give you heat tolerant, drought tolerant, some pretty good cold resistance. They'll even take some of the deluge of the rainfalls that we have here. So long as you plant them in the sun, I wouldn't put them in a low light or in a area that holds water or moisture for long periods of time. They'll like it kind of high and dry, bright and sunny. But they are low maintenance. Once you plant these, they're one of the lowest maintenance plants you can have in your garden. You literally plant it and walk away. And that's really the maintenance for them. You can treat them just like a cactus, a succulent, which they are, an agave that's been crossed once again with the Manfreda. Come check them out. We have several varieties here at Earthworks. Till next time.